ODeX empowers customers with effortless invoice tracking and seamless payment information updates. This user guide explains the step-by-step process of tracking invoices and update payment information. Enter your username and password at online.odexglobal.com. To access the Invoice dashboard, click on the Invoice Dashboard option located in the upper left corner of the screen. In the Invoice dashboard, select single or multiple invoices, ensuring they are in the same currency, and click the Pay button to process the payment. To use the bank transfer feature, customers can add their bank information by clicking on the Click Here link, which will guide them to add their bank details on ODeX. However, adding bank details is not mandatory. There are two ways to complete your payment on the ODeX platform. Please follow the steps outlined for the payment method of your choice. Method 1. Payments using ODeX generated number. Before proceeding with a payment to the shipping line, please ensure to select ODeX generated number. You will find an option to generate the ODeX generated number displayed on the screen. When initiating a fund transfer, the customer should provide the ODeX generated payment reference number in the reason description field of your bank's portal. Once the payment is made, it's important for the customer to attach the proof of payment POP, depending upon the region. The customer can then click on Submit. Method 2. Payments using I have my reference number. If you have already made the payment to the shipping line, then kindly select I have my reference number. Enter the transaction reference number you received from the bank to proceed. The bank reference number entered in ODeX will confirm whether the payment has been received. Upon receiving payment advice from the bank and matching it with the payment details, ODeX will automatically approve the payment. Ensure to attach the payment proof depending upon the region. Note: please verify the ODeX bank reference number entered is accurate to avoid any discrepancies. Once you have entered all the required details, click Submit to send the transaction information to the shipping line. After completing the payment process, if the customer wants to change any of the payment details in the existing request, they have an option to edit the payment details as shown. Click on the Edit button to make the necessary changes in the existing payment request. The customer will make the necessary changes in the payment details and then click on Submit. After making the required adjustments, a pop-up will appear on the screen asking to proceed for the payments. To continue, click on Yes. Upon clicking on Yes, a modification message will be visible on the screen confirming payment details are updated successfully. Here, the Paid option will define the payment status against the invoices. Once the payment process is completed successfully, the status against the invoices will be marked as paid. This completes the end-to-end process of making payments through ODeX. Simplify and streamline global shipping. Start your ODeX journey now.